How to leave your group in Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily leave or exit the group inside your Snapchat. So if you don't want to be inside the group, or if you don't want to be any longer part of the particular group, then you can simply exit or from the group in which you don't want to be included. So first thing what you want to do is just open up the particular group from where you want to exit and simply click on the profile of that particular group, and from over here what you want to do is just click on this three dot icon over here, and you can see there is an option called leave group. So simply tap on it and just click on leave, and then you'll be successfully leaved, and from them you can't be seeing any of your messages inside of that group no longer. So that is exactly how you can easily leave your Snapchat group. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.